Good morning, y'all. All right, so today I have attempted my soft-boiled eggs again. These are fresh out the boiler. 7 minutes, okay? We're gonna see if 7 minutes is actually good. I know it's supposed to be. Also, I started the water, started boiling, and then I put the eggs in. Or no, and then I started the timer. These are had. I feel like it's gonna be overcooked again. Ugh, it's freaking overcooked. Son of a bitch. Okay. I was even gonna do 5 minutes today. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it, whatever, we'll see. I should have done the 5 minutes. Anyway. Oops. This is the Tabasco Camille eggs. Man, oh man. That's so annoying. It was like one time I got it right. They were so good. Hot. But these ones didn't crack at least while they were boiling. It's like so annoying. Everything is so annoying. Oh God. This is like way cooked. I do not like that. I have little bit, a half cup cottage cheese. It's not even good. My last bit. Whatever, ma'am. Next time, 5 minutes. Boiling water, and then I'm gonna start the timer, 5 minutes. You guys think that'll be good? I hope so. Mm-mm-mm. Excuse me. right, guys. I'm going to Costco now to buy more eggs. Okay, bye.